Cek ngerokok ya. Iya. Wih, Lizzy sudah datang. Lizzy is coming. Hi Lizzy. How are you? Fine. Was Shuri? Where is sleep? Oh, migraine. Migran. Oh. Oh, jadi Chris lagi sakit. Sakit kepala, migran. Iya. Jadi itu satu botol di sana itu 202 juta. Wah, kayaknya mahal juga ya.
So Melbourne.
Sir Melbourne.
Well, I'm glad that we can have pre-birthday experience. What did you guys get?
Ya,
You want some non-alcoholic?
non alkohol. Tina, ini Tina, Martina. Tina.
And I got some rosé, like the local.
Itu apa ya? Wine.
So we have like like we talked about like local wines that we have. Like, okay, can I try the rosé? And then I try it, and I think he was trying to let me taste it, but I was just too passive. I was like, okay, I'm gonna get the rosé. I'm gonna try the wine. Yeah, but it's refreshing, lovely.
Ya.
You just knew the wine so well. You didn't need to try any other option.
So you go to Melbourne tomorrow?
Yes.
Tomorrow morning? Oh.
My flight is at 6 a.m.
Oh, so you go straight to office
Yes.
in the morning?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Lucky there's a bus at Melbourne Airport, and then you can go straight to the city on the bus.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
the
I can,
Sky Bus.
The Sky Bus, and then I can walk just from the bus to work.
Southern Cross. I reckon you still have to take the tram.
Maybe like a few stops. Yeah.
Oke, Releda Agustina.
I'm gonna
Iya.
go get a wine.
Ingin sekali di sini. Jadi kita hangout ini karena Lizzy besok pagi mau berangkat duluan ke Adelaide. Oke, Adelaide lagi ke Melbourne. Kami malam besok baru pulang kan. Ini berapa satu botol ini? Itu wine-nya di atas.
Yang di paling atas itu 250, 300, 3 juta, 2 juta. Yang di
3
bawah
juta.
ada yang 500.000.
Ya, ini paling mahal di atas 3 jutaan.
Iya.
Ada. Keras itu ya? Keras atau nikmat?
Enggak, menyegarkan.
Menyegarkan.
Cocok untuk di pantai.
Betul Kang Nguro itu, Kang Nguro tinggal di sana. Nanti usahakan kita masak Kang Nguro kalau di Melbourne. Ada dagingnya juga.
Tahunnya empuk nah, kita masak kanguru.
Iya. Jadi hari ini, besok ini Kakak Bicu akan ulang tahun. Jadi kita rayakan memang malam ini. Iya, selamat ulang tahun Kak Bicu.
Ulang tahun untuk yang ke 21 tahun.
21 tahun. Ya. 25 tahun sudah. Dia sudah 2,5 tahun merantau di kuliah di Melbourne. Semoga dapat suami orang apa nanti? Mau dapat suami orang apa?
Orang Australia.
Orang Australia. Saya kira tadi bukan Joga. Bicu hope to husband Australian. Whatever. Adeline Tami, Safira Tami. Jam berapa di sini? Jam berapa kan di sini? Oh, jam 8. Sudah jam 8. Jam 8. 8.40. Ini sudah mau tenggelam ini. Ini masih ada sedikit. Selamat ulang tahun.
Ulang.
Selamat ulang tahun. Licu. Selamat ulang tahun. Oke. Kota Penopo hadir Kanda. Oke, asrama 721.
Berapa yang nonton, Oke?
Ya, ini teman-teman 34 dan 14. Berarti ada 50 orang.
How do you say early?
Early.
Depending on like the context.
Like early birthday.
Ulang tahun cepat. Ya karena besok ulang tahunnya, tapi dipercepat. Ya. Early. Kakak orang Toraja. Iya, orang Toraja. Oh. Yohanes Sareong. Iya, orang Toraja. Kak. Ini sudah jam 6:12. Oh iya. 6:78. Oh. Sudah berapa jam ini? 8:12 dengan 8:18 jam 6:12 dengan 8:42. Berarti 3 jam kah? Ya, Om Pit ini dari Toraja. Om Pit sudah tua. Suaranya kurang jelas kan dah. Oke. Om Pit sekarang sudah tua. Umur sudah 50 tahun. Tapi
Like the way I translated.
wajah seperti 18 tahun.
Like I paraphrase a lot, and I think he understands that I paraphrase a lot and not verbatim and translating everything. So yeah, I think he understands conversational.
Yeah, because I could like no, I could see how he was laughing at times when you guys were all laughing when someone said something. So he could know.
Om Pit cuma bisa minum
I want to
Martina.
see the photos of you with the koala.
Koala.
Yeah.
Ya.
I know the animal now. It's
Koala.
wallaby.
Oh.
And the W and the
I
M.
see, yeah. So koalas, wallabies,
Ya, wallaby.
Kangaroo.
Kanguru.
yay!
Iya.
Si Lizzie mau lihat foto-foto sama video tak?
Lihat. Oh, ada. Nanti lihat kita foto sama video. Ada koala, ada kanguru, ada apa lagi? Ada anjing liar.
Coyote?
Oh,
Hyena? No, it's a wild dog.
bingo.
Dingo.
Ya, bingo.
Yeah, that was
With their really pointy ears. That's how you know it's a dingo.
Ya.
Terus bebas sompet.
Bebas pegang-pegang.
You touch the
Tapi
dingo?
anjingnya tidak bisa dipegang karena galak pasti.
Oh.
Kalau
But you get to touch the dingo, dipegang dingonya.
no. Pagarnya too high, jadi tidak bisa dipegang. Bahaya dia.
I wouldn't want to go near it.
Yeah, which is not a good idea. Bukan ide
Tapi
yang
kalau
bagus.
kangurunya bisa dipegang.
But I like in Alice,
Burung-burung
some
bisa
people had
dipegang.
dogs like that were bred with dingoes, and so
Ya,
and they
bibirnya
had like
lancar kan
really
dia.
high ears, and they
Lancar
do
ini.
things like that
Pintar
dingoes
ini.
would do, like kind of hide in
Tabico.
bushes and stuff.
Tanya itu bule,
And so,
bisa ke
and
bahasa
then it would be
Indonesia.
because you're not technically meant to
Ya.
have a dog that's like too much dingo.
Ya,
And apparently,
sementara
like,
belajar
they
bahasa
would
Indonesia
do,
karena
like,
nanti
it was something
ikut
about-
sama
I, like,
Chris
had a
ke
friend that
Indonesia
had it.
bulan
They were like worried
nanam.
that the council was going to take it away
Akhir
because
bulan
it was
6.
like too much of a dingo.
Dia akan tinggal
Right.
sama Chris di Makassar.
Oh. Is it like
Ini istrinya
a
Chris.
cross hybrid from their like great
Yeah.
great?
Yeah, well,
Someone say, siapa namamu?
siapa
Namamu.
nama
Siapa?
saya Lizzie.
Oh, Lizzie ya. Pi sudah pintar, sudah belajar bahasa Indonesia.
Nanti dia mau tinggal di Indonesia 6 bulan.
Ya, mau tinggal di Indonesia 6 bulan.
Where are
40 days streak on Duolingo bahasa Indonesia.
Bahasa Indonesia
Jadi dia
ya.
belajar lewat aplikasi namanya Duolingo.
Duolingo, oke Duolingo ya.
Bukan Lingo, bukan Lingo Mamo.
Iya.
Namanya Duolingo aplikasinya. Dan Lizzie sudah
Oke,
40
ajak
hari.
ke Toraja itu boleh. Iya, pasti ke Toraja nanti. Lizzie will go to Toraja. Ya.
Yeah, well, can't wait to meet everyone.
Iya. Lizzie pasti akan ke Toraja nanti.
But then I'm
Karena dia akan fokus di Makassar
Gonna have to
menyelesaikan
learn all the
film
Toraja
dokumenternya di sana.
I
Menemani
didn't get to
suaminya.
like learn at all. and still manage.
Okay, stop
True.
for
So
Matara.
because
Okay,
people speak
nah.
Bahasa Indonesia as well as Toraja.
Yeah, they understand it with
Nah.
like Makassar accent.
Nah, please daw.
Yeah, but you'll be
Ibira
like in
guntung na.
Makassar the entire time. So I think you'll pick up
Penting
like
diburung.
Indonesian in Makassar accent. Then you will pick up just like general
Oh, iya, ya
like
ampun.
normal bahasa
Penting
Indonesia.
burung di bawahnya jangan dipegang. Iya, betul.
I was just
Tidak
laughing
dipegang
because
itu, burung di bawah.
Duolingo,
Bahaya.
lingo means drunk,
Oh,
like a
yeah.
drunkard in Toraja. And she was like looking at my Duolingo.
Ini karena hari Minggu jadi barbar di sini sedikit sunyi ya.
Because he's like this.
Sunyi kalau di Adelaide. Kalau hari Minggu tidak banyak yang buka, tidak ada
Honestly,
banyak
it's
yang
not like a night time.
datang minum. Tadi malam ramai sekali, malam Minggu.
I felt like when I tried some,
Iya bertiga aja kan di
it was
sini.
like- like you're
Coba,
meant to like say something or you like you know like when
Wahyu
my
sama
dad,
Rara
when he'll have,
sama-
like, you know when you
Sama Salsa tinggal
That I
di
was like, should I smell this?
Caravan.
What should I do? Should I just like chug
tinggal
it?
di rumah. Ini kita datang karena
Yeah,
besok
Just like
pagi
pour, that's
Lizzie akan pulang ke Melbourne karena besok dia masuk kerja, jadi pagi-pagi sekali dia akan ke Melbourne, terbang ke Melbourne dan langsung masuk kerja. Makanya untuk merayakan ulang tahunnya Kak Bicu,
I didn't know that's
kami
like in the heart of the city.
bertiga saja
The spot that
karena Sam sakit kepala di rumah, tidak bisa keluar. Mungkin karena terlalu banyak minum kah atau bagaimana?
To get here.
Oke, selama bisa Kak disangkar.
Tadi Lizzie naik skuter ke sini.
Oh, you naik skuter?
Yeah.
You use skuter?
Yeah.
Oh.
Itu dia skuternya
It
di
was
sana.
Oh.
fun.
Yang orang
How much you pay?
$10 for 10 minutes. Well, like $1 per 1 minute.
Oh, $1 per 1 minute.
Yeah.
So, $10?
I thought it might be a bit cheaper, but
It's the same as
Mahal itu
how
kalau
much you
10 menit na $10.
Uber. Iya sama tadi kita naik Uber.
Iya.
Didi for $7
Two.
from our place.
Mm.
Is DD cheaper than Uber?
Yeah. It's like usually like $2 or $3
Toraja
cheaper.
usahakan live kan dah. Biar saya tahu dari
But
jalan ke
it
Toraja.
doesn't feel like riding a scooter.
Oke, baik
There's
ya,
no
asrama Yudo 1
feeling.
ya. Kita live supaya bisa datang ke Toraja. Oke, baik ya.
I'm so sad that you're leaving in only a few days,
Yeah.
Victor. I can't
Okay.
believe it's already getting to. We don't have to talk about it.
Selamat buat Bicu, panjang umurnya dan sukses selalu. Oke, dari
Terima kasih.
Mama Elo.
Oh, makasih Mama Elo. Rinduku.
Iya.
Nanti jalan-jalan ke Toraja. Lizzie nanti jalan-jalan ke Toraja.
Ini sih akan jalan ke Toraja. Oh ini jam di sini menunjukkan 20.49.
Asking him like, what
Yeah,
time
Eros.
is it there?
Iya, ini sudah kayak kalau di Indonesia ini kayak jam 6 apa di Makassar maksudnya. Sudah seperti jam 6
Saving sense? 3?
baru
Yeah,
maghrib.
it used to be like before daylight savings 2 hours, and now 3 hours after that.
Iya, paling 3 jam perjalanan dari Palopo.
So,
Oke, baik ya, kita tunggu nanti ya selama
what do you
721.
think you'll be doing in
Nanti
Makassar?
datang ke Toraja.
I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah.
I've
Ompit ini
yeah, I guess
di
February.
Sanggala tinggal.
Getting,
Oh,
because I'm gonna be doing my,
jenggot kumis sebenarnya sudah putih-putih.
and then
Jenggot
I'm
juga
gonna
sudah
ask
putih.
my work if I can keep working.
Karena Ompit
but
sudah
I
tua.
feel like they'll probably say no.
Ya.
I feel like working from another country when you've only been there for like a few months. A bit of a big ask.
But does it require you to be in the office like all the time?
Technically not really, but like I don't know. I feel like just for like office culture, they don't want people to be like remote in another country. But that's okay because I was always kind of thinking that.
Yeah.
But I was thinking
Nah,
of
dingin sekali
messaging
di
a
sini.
teachers. The like you know it a teacher. It's like
Siapa
Australia,
rekan komplit ini?
Indonesia,
Teman kami, Kak Bicu.
students, something.
Bicu Afifa.
I only
Afifa.
know AYAP, which is Australia Indonesia Youth something.
Someone told me to message them.
Ini
because
adalah
it's
penerjemah
mainly for
kami.
students, but they were
Dia
like,
sangat pintar bahasa Inggris. Nah, Ompit tidak tahu bahasa Inggris jadi
they were like,
kalau mereka cerita, Ompit menganga saja.
Won't be too hard to
they were
have a
like,
coffee,
if
I'm
you
sure.
you should message them because they're super like always when wanting to facilitate links with Australia, Indonesia, and
Yeah.
so if you just message them and say like, I'm moving to
Sama.
Makassar, like, is there anything you could recommend, like, put in place?
Oh biasanya
I'm
anak
probably
Victoria
thinking,
tapi
like,
dia nak lolai.
well, and then I
Aku
want to
do.
like see if there's
Okay,
places
do
where
gitu na.
doing
Okay,
work in
nginap
like land
di
rights,
dia nak benua.
land kind of
Hotel Registra.
Yeah,
Oh iya.
things.
I think that would be
Oke baik nanti
great.
kalau kita di
They just
Toraja,
kind of like
kamu bisa datang di
direct
Toraja
you
kita
onto, like this is the field that you're
ah,
working in.
Yeah.
There's
jalan-jalan di
opportunities
Sanggala.
Yeah.
here. Yeah.
Oke, Benny Van
I think
Lebang,
with
selamat
someone
pagi Om
with
Pit,
your
waktu
experience,
Milano.
there'll
Oi,
be a lot of
saudaraku
NGOs.
Om Benny di Milan.
You think?
Yeah.
I
Eh,
just don't know without speaking Indonesian.
buongiorno. Buongiorno, fratello.
Like
Come
that I know
sta?
that's like concerning like healthcare and like
Come
climate.
stai?
It's usually funded like from
Oh,
the
kurang
national
apa? Kurang terang teh.
so they kind of need someone who knows how to speak English.
Jadi selamat ulang tahun, semoga
That's
panjang
where,
umur.
Like my
Oke,
cousin,
dari Halim
now
Halim.
she's studying in New Zealand, but she's used
Yeah.
to work for like an NGO and then at the Red Cross, like the
Oke.
Red Cross. And she needs
Malapok
to
kali itu
speak English
bening-bening di
because
depan
most
kamera,
of,
brother.
like,
Weh,
elders
malapok.
are, like, English speakers.
Eh.
So yeah.
Hello,
and my brother, I'm gonna ask him.
excuse
about
me, my friend from Italy,
Yeah.
Benny Van Lebang.
Hello, Benny.
May say this is Chris wife, yeah, Chris wife.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Girlfriend.
girlfriend, yeah, girlfriend.
Tapi kalau di Indonesia istri.
Iya. Oke, buongiorno fratello, tutto bene, grazie. Grazie, ya. Tutto bene.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao Bella.
Ciao Bella.
Mamma mia.
Oh, pirang kota Kandao, manimisa ni bosku asrama. Asmara, asrama.
Mi chiamo Lizzie.
Mi chiamo Lizzie.
Mi chiamo Lisi. ¿Cómo se llama?
Bien. Bien.
Oke,
Grazie.
salam buat istrinya Bro Chris. Oke. Salam buat apa namanya itu?
Greetings.
Oh, greetings for Chris wife. Hey, oke dari from Benny Van Lebang from Milan.
He's watching a lot, often,
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
and he knows Chris.
Yeah, he knows
Uh-huh.
because from the live stream.
Oh,
Yeah,
right.
maybe probably Benny will come to Toraja in August.
Wow.
Yeah,
Cool. Maybe
we
we'll meet.
can meet there.
Yeah.
Oke. Nah, karena bisa tahu bule kanda, oke asrama. Tagus anda kak bule lah. Sedangkan aku
Foto
nomor
dulu Ompit.
masih mau kak cari bule nanti tidak bisa kak.
Saya sama Lizzie.
Toraya ke itu bisa brother. Ah, ini orang Makassar ini. Makassar apa ini?
Makassar Bugis, Le.
Makassar Bugis.
Foto kan
Iya.
Ompit, saya sama Lizzie.
Oh, oke. Ini kameranya, ini kamera masih pakai roll ini guys.
Photo together.
Ini masih pakai roll, weh, hampir jatuh. Ya, maaf dulu, ku taruh dulu ya. Nah. Satu, dua. Oke.
Nice. You're so steady.
Nice.
Ompit. Wow.
Oh,
You know how to like keep it like focus? I see the red dot because usually people just like click it and then just flash. Cameraman.
oke, Mbak. Ya,
Cameraman.
aku tahu baru.
We've got Matthew.
Aku tahu baru asli. Oh, orang baru ini asrama ini, orang baru.
Siapa orang baru?
Tapi macam sini bahasa Toraya. Oh, ini anu. Oh, ada teman kurang pelopo tapi dia lagi tinggal di rumah. Coba ada gitu. Nanti kalau live dikit lagi ada teman kurang pelopo.
Let me smoke.
Mungkin nanti namanya Wahyu. Sudah sepi nih. Karena hari Minggu di sini sepi.
Iya.
Di kota ini kalau hari Minggu sepi.
Jadi mereka ada peraturan, they have a rule. Setiap hari Minggu, every Sunday, tidak boleh ada toko-toko retail yang buka. Jadi toko baju itu harus tutup setiap
Oh.
hari Minggu.
Oh, setiap hari Minggu ya.
And I still don't know what's the reasoning behind that.
No.
Ya, pengalaman di sini
Shops
karena
on
saya juga
Sunday.
Yeah.
tidak
Well,
tahu
it used
Inggris
to
tapi
be
menurut
like,
mereka
it used to be
orang
like that everywhere
Adelaide
in
itu
Australia because of
ramah.
church. It would be like,
Lebih
"Oh,
ramah
go to
dari
church
orang
on Sunday."
Melbourne.
That's how religious
Kalau
Australia used to
orang
be
Sydney
until like
sedikit
the
cuek.
50s or 60s.
Bisa ke
And Adelaide
topo
still
sebentar.
maintains for that same.
Probably,
objective.
I guess
Bisa-
it's, I
bisa.
feel like it's probably just becomes a
Bisa ke
cultural
topo
norm.
sebentar
Yeah.
berarti.
But like
Oke.
Adelaide is known as the city of churches. So
Fun
Maksudnya
fact
mau
untuk Victor.
Oh, yeah.
Lizzie tadi cerita. Jadi Adelaide terkenal sebagai kota yang terkenal dengan gereja-gerejanya. City of churches.
I just remembered.
City apa?
Churches. Kota gereja.
Kota gereja. Oh iya ya. Oke, kalau ada mau naik, saya matikan dulu karena kita pakai aplikasi ini ya,
My other
supaya kita
thing.
langsungin supaya bisa
I still
dinaikkan
didn't
orang.
find my earring.
Oke,
They're
saya tutup
different
dulu.
miniatures.